Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far.
Good morning, y'all. I hope you're having a blessed day. I get up at 6:35 in the morning. Right here I'm just putting my socks on because I don't sleep with socks on. I'll go to bed with socks on, but I cannot sleep in them. I guess I can't breathe. I'm not sure. But this is a video in collab with Mommy of 3, Kayla. Next, I'll just go into Mahala's room, turn on her light, and get her up. She's not real happy about me turning on the light, but she'll be okay. So that's what I'm going to do here, is just turn on her light and try and get her motivated to get up. Next, I just go into the kitchen and get this little cat some food because he won't leave me alone or get out from under my feet until I do. So I'm just getting the cat food off the top of the refrigerator that does not work. And I'm going to go ahead and give him some. I'm having a little bit of trouble because he wouldn't get out of the way for me to put the food down. Next, I'm just going to clean out the sink from all the stuff that Xavier, the little cat, has knocked over into the sink over the night and get ready to wash my hands so I can start cooking some breakfast for Shannon and Mahala. Then no morning is complete without coffee. I got this Starbucks Cafe Verona K-Cups. They're pretty good. I don't like the store kind of Starbucks, but I do like these. These are actually pretty good to me. And if you watched my shop haul yesterday, you'll see this peppermint bark coffee creamer, and it is so good, y'all. And I remember the TikTok hack where you can open it with the lid of the creamer. So I'm just doing that here, and it is so good, y'all. This creamer is amazing. If you go to Aldi, check out their creamer. It is so good. And then I'm just going to check on this barbecue pork that I had in the crock pot. I'm going to go ahead and tear it apart. This is for supper tonight. We're going to have barbecue sandwiches. And it turned out so good, y'all. It is so good. All I do is add some barbecue sauce to it and put it on bread. And that's it. Then I'm just going to get me a cast iron skillet and spray it with some, I think it's butter spray. And I'm just preheating the oven here. And then I'm going to put my biscuits into my pan. These are some leftover biscuits we had from a meal one night, and I just put them in a resealable bag, a reusable resealable bag, because I'm trying to save the planet, y'all.
We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day.
So I just got a cast iron skillet, put a little bit of olive oil in it, and added my sausage links. And now I'm fixing to crack a few eggs and get ready to scramble some. Y'all, these salt and pepper shakers or grinders are from Dollar Tree, and they work really well. I love them. They are amazing for $1. Only for $1, y'all. So go check out your Dollar Tree. See what you can find. So I don't own a whisk, so I'm just going to use a fork to whisk these eggs together to make scrambled eggs. So that's what I'm doing here, is just mixing the eggs up. Now, since the cats are finished eating, I'm going to open the door, and you can see they're excited to go outside. They love going outside. Now I'm just going to put the dishes away that were left from the night before. If you're over here from Kayla's channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. These are just the medicines I take in the morning. Only 3 of them I actually need. The rest are vitamins. Y'all, I like getting my medicines over with. I take them all at once and be done with it. Now back to cooking breakfast. These sausage links are almost done. Now in the same pan that I used for the sausage links, I'm going to go ahead and pour my eggs in and scramble them in the grease that was left from the sausage links. And it turns out so good, y'all. If you're not cooking your eggs this way, try it and let me know how you like it. So while I'm waiting on the biscuits to finish cooking, I'm going to go ahead and tackle these dishes and get them done. This cast iron skillet, I do not use soap on it anymore. I used to, and I realized it was messing it up. So I just use hot water and this scrubber, and it comes perfectly clean now. Now that our biscuits are done, I'm going to go ahead and put them on the plate for Shannon and Mahala. And now that breakfast is done, Mahala emerges from her room and says hello, y'all. So while Mahala's eating breakfast, I'm going to go ahead and put the dogs, yes, I put them out the window, but this window goes straight into our backyard. And Charlie, you can tell, she was excited to go outside. She loves outside. And then I have to go and find Sophie because she ran away from me. Because she is not real fond of the outside, but she goes outside every day anyway. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put my shoes on. It's about 7:20 and we're fixing to be leaving to go and take Mahala to school. And here I'm just giving you an outfit of the day. The shirt is Girly Girl Original. I got it from Buc-ee's. And on the back it says, I may look calm, but I've pecked you in the head 3 times. And the leggings are 90 degrees. I'm not sure about the smash on them. And then the shoes are Walmart brand, and they are the generic Hey Dudes. I love them. They're so comfortable. And then Mahala saw me doing this and wanted to do her outfit. So her jacket is from the thrift store. The shirt she has on is Girly Girl Original, same as my brand that I'm wearing. Hers has sunflowers on it. And then her pants are from the thrift store as well. They're American Eagle, and they're just black jeans. And then her shoes are Converse from Shoe Show. So I guess she's going to become a YouTube person too. So by this time it's 7:27 and we are heading out the door to take her to school. Y'all ever have one of those mornings where you have to just rebuke Satan from the beginning? That's the kind of morning I was having here. I was rebuking Satan, driving down my driveway, because he had tried to crawl into the car with me, and I didn't need it. I did not need it that day. And then by the time we got to the end of the driveway, Mahala was complaining because she was going to be late for school, and it was only 7:31. And she's not late until 8 o'clock.
Alright. I love you. Have a good day. See y'all.
Hi.
Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning, Mom. It's cold out here today. It is. Have a good day, May. Love you.
Bye, I love you.
Bye, love you.
See, you got the love.
Bye. Y'all, her teachers are awesome here. She's gonna miss it so much. And I know I look like a fool talking to myself and all these teachers looking at me, but that's okay. It's alright. It's all good. That teacher is very young. I think he's in his 20s. But he's out here every single morning. So he must love his job. Anyway, alright, so now we're gonna head back to the house. It's legit a minute away. Or a minute and like 10 10 seconds or something. So that's kind of, I'm gonna miss that whenever we move, being that close to the school, unless the Lord decides He wants us close to a school again, and then it'll be good, because I like this kind of quality time taking her to school, because I didn't get to do that with my other girls. And with Mahala being adopted, I feel like she needs a little bit more. And y'all, she did the sweetest thing last night at the parade. There was a little boy that was standing beside us that wasn't getting any candy, and she handed me some Tootsie Rolls, and she was like, "Mama, give these to that little boy, he didn't get any candy." And I thought that was the sweetest thing. She's always like that, y'all. She is. She's a great person, a great kid. She don't do anything wrong. I mean, some days, you know, she's a typical kid, but she's always thinking about somebody else, which is amazing for her to be only 11 and thinking about somebody else the way she does. Like any of the diamond paintings that she does, she don't want to keep them. She wants to give them to somebody. She wants to do them and give them to somebody to make them happy, which is super, super sweet. And she's been that way since she was really little. God just gave her a special heart. But even though she's adopted, we don't treat her like she's adopted at all. She's just our kid. Normal kid. And then last night, whenever she saw the foster kid float at the parade, she kind of did a little sad face at me. It was sweet. She cares so much about other people. It's amazing. She is an amazing little girl. But y'all still be praying for us to find a place, you know, something that we can have our animals at. That's the only reason that we're moving, is because Shannon knows how much I love my animals, and he wants me to be happy, and I can't be happy if all my animals can't be there. Okay, Car, what is your problem? You need to calm down. Behind me. Yeah, back up. Thank you. Turn on my blinker. Okay, Satan, you're being mean again. See that lady? She's flying past me. I guess she was late for work or something. I don't know what her problem was. Satan got a hold of her too, I guess. Maybe jumped out of my car and into hers. I hope not. I hope it just goes away for good, but you know, not gonna happen.
I hope y'all enjoyed this morning routine, and go and check out Kayla's channel. I'll leave all of her information. Hopefully I can get it in the drop down box, but if not, you can find her at Mommy of 3, and I'll leave her pictures and stuff of her page at the end of this video. Thank you so much. I love you, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.